So this is the moment that Akeem Blake made history. He made Jamaicans proud, and now there has been a lot of huge comparisons between Akeem Blake and Oblique Siville. Now, talking about Oblique Siville, he has also did his best, and he has put the Jamaican map on top of the world in so many World Athletic Championship. I remember in Oregon 2022, Oblique Siville was there. He represented the male sprinting of Jamaica. He went to final and he missed out on the podium on getting a medal. And the same applies to Akeem Blake. Now, Akeem Blake has already made Jamaica proud. I think last 2 weeks he won a bronze medal in the just concluded um, Glasgow Championship, and this has been able to, made a lot of people praise Akeem Blake, and now people are kind of forgetting about Oblique Sivili. But I feel like Oblique Sivili is also an amazing athlete, and the only thing I feel like that is kind of drawing or delaying Oblique Sivili from unleashing his true potential is the fact that he is not as tall as Usain Bolt. Now, talking about the future of male sprinting in Jamaica, I feel like the future of male sprinting is bright because we have Kishani Thompson, we have Akim Blake, and we have Oblique Civili all the way from Jamaica. And these three are enough to secure and protect the male sprinting event um, in Jamaica as a nation. Oblique Civili has a lot of potentials. He always make it to podium in so many big races, but getting the medal has been the hardest part for Oblique Civili, and hopefully I am hoping to see him do wonders in Olympics by getting either gold, silver, or bronze. So anyway, let me hear your own opinion in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video.